Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Meet my powerful traveling buddy. This FOVAL Power Inverter has really helped me a lot. My husband travels for work and I like to work on my laptop when I go with him. And so I just have the ease of being able to plug this into a cigarette lighter and then I'm ready to go. I have a place to be able to plug in my laptop and charge it and not have to worry. But then I have the added bonus that I can plug in other devices such as my cell phone while I'm charging my laptop. And it gives me that security that I can use all three devices. And the fan is so quiet. Plus, it is so small and compact that you can store it anywhere. So this little bad boy keeps me working while we're on the road traveling. And I also love that it eliminates discussions like, where am I going to plug into my device? And that is just my point of view.